In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can create this amazing magical effect using Pyro and shading in SparkX. And as you can see, this is so amazing and so charming, and it's used even in Harry Potter movie. So we're gonna try to mimic this look. Hi everyone, this is Dyson in stream mode. This is different mode. As you can see, we are trying to improve the audio quality day after day. And yeah, this is a quick tutorial about SparkX. Let me show you. And we are going to create this kind of magical effect in SparkX Houdini 20.5. As you can see, this is amazing. It's using pyro movement, but the look, man, it's so sexy. And yeah, let's try to do that. Let's see. Let's go to Houdini. And we are in Houdini. We have this sphere, as you can see. So this is live. It's not pre-record tutorial. So let's try. We have this sphere, and let's begin with SparkX. We have this SparkX, and as you remember in this tutorial, we have the driver for v velocity. So let's create point velocity. So let me exaggerate that, yeah, in this direction. 10, I guess it's suitable. So we have the driver, and let's enable the pyro. As you remember, for the reference, we have pyro movement, and let me reset that. And as you can see, we have this pyro. It's not bad. First of all, let's increase the life, maybe 2. And yeah, we have something. And this is SparkX version 0.2. It will release after a week. And in this one, for example, we add this disturbance noise size, turbulence noise size, and shredding noise size. So for this look, as I mentioned, let me show you for the reference. You see, we don't have any small noises, and all that is driven by turbulence. So let's go back and let's kill all the disturbance and shredding, and I want I want turbulence. Let's go with 10 and let's see what's happened. Yeah, it's crazy enough. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time so much on the movement. You can have your movement, but yeah, I will try to create similar effect. So let's say we have this movement. Okay, let's say that. And of course, we can go in color. And now I want to convert this look to this one. Again, I want to show you why it's so important, because you see, we need to observe this look. You see, we have highlight color in here. So let's go with the green. Let's go back and let's see. Let's delete that, and let's go there. And let's go with the green and dark green. And we need white, pure white in here. Okay, this is stream mode. It's called having a thing. So we have this, as you can see, and we have this color range. You see that? But something is missing. I need to change this density ramp like that. And you see, we are getting close. And we can play with color range and voila. Sorry, I did the wrong thing. And you see that? This is the same look we have on the reference. And you can go on and on with that. You see, you can go with color range and voila. You see that? So this is kind of a magical effect using Pyro. Of course, we had a lot of chat on the Discord, especially with Jose and Aldine. They suggested to use pop advection and particle, and they will have a more control for the particle. But in the next video, I will show you pop advection in SparkX. This is amazing. So we have a lot of future in SparkX, and this is SparkX 0.2, but the most parameter is there in version 1. It's functional. So if you're interested, it's available on my Patreon, and I have a limited offer for treasure member. You can subscribe to that or join to that tiers and play with SparkX for 1 week. So if you're interested, just hop on. It's limited for 1 week. And with that, I guess I see you in the next one. Goodbye.